Turning the engine, FL10ODG. Turning good, and the front engines looks good as you can see. Compressor look nice. And on this side, everything looks good with engine. FL10 engine's turbo no broken. Have computer, as you can see. Quick as well on the gearbox, without any damage. And on this side, everything looks good with engine. Starter on a good conditions, same as well like altimeter. And on this side, everything looks good. All connectors are broken, as you can see. And on the bottom, some without any cracks, no leaks. And turning the engine, FL10ODG.